When was CM Mohan Charan Maji born? The CM of Odisha. Options are A. 1 January 1970, B. 6 January 1972, C. 1 January 1972, and D. 6 January 1970. Your answer will be 6 January 1972. Keep watching my channel. B is your correct answer. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.